Indoda Ikhali on the Midday Connection.
The views and opinions expressed in this feature are those of the guest or listener and do not reflect the views of Gagasi FM.
I know I've definitely missed these conversations in 2025, and during my break njalo makhalo lesibili bengibetha ngiqanza nkosi yami ngabe sengihleli ke no Ndaba Miyeza nomadala wami, and of course ke we welcome him of course in 2026, Ndaba Miyeza, who's a health practitioner, and of course ke umuntu who makes sure ukuthi psychologically si right ne history ke again as a historian. He's mandated to make sure that he's carrying that mantle ukwenza sure ukuthi we preserve history at South Africa, and of course we build a society that's healthy, a society that's holy, a society
lack of knowledge of your history can actually cause insanity.
Very true.
Yeah, because you do not know who you are, you do not know where you belong and what your existence is.
So we welcome you, Ndaba Miyeza. Happy New Year to you too, and hope you and your family you had a good time to rest.
Let's hope 26 is going to dance.
I dance at cool. Today we're talking about a very interesting conversation. I was actually sitting with a group of friends in December, and bes discussa indaba ukuthi abantu abajolayo kuyi commitment ngoba ngihle namanye amantombazane ndabe akadethi ayivela kangishadile lo yabo kodwa ujola naye.
Yeah, that is why umkhumbula
so akuyona any commitment le.
Akuyona commitment.
How?
Yeah.
So should umuntu ongashadile angenza noma yini ayifunayo noma in relationship.
Umjolo, that's what it does.
Yeah.
I always say the greatest impairment towards a meaningful relationship umjolo. Ngoba emjolweni anthandani. You are enjoying the moment, you are enjoying physical connection, and you are enjoying madness. Those are the three principles of umjolo. Umjolo is to play, angona ukuthanda, and we need to clear that. But akusikhulumi ngegamophobia. Igamophobia is fear of commitment.
Sure. Which
pervasively is very common amongst both men and women.
Yeah.
Hence, the greatest impediment towards a true love in umjolo. So here is the deal. Complex childhood trauma can prevent you from committing yourself to a meaningful relationship. It's common knowledge that almost 90% of men worldwide, they are scared of commitment, and they are also scared of vulnerability, which creates a struggle for true connection to happen for a meaningful relationship.
And why is it that men struggle more to commit than women?
Go back to the childhood. Who was the caretaker? What did the child learn unconsciously from the caretaker? What about the attachment style? Were the parents or the caretaker available emotionally for the child? If that was not given, love was not given freely, then the child is going to struggle with commitment.
I know he used to struggle now with commitment because I think my past relationship.
Yeah.
And so how does one recover from those past relationships to make sure that they don't hamper or hinder lo muntu ukuthi abe ne meaningful relationship mase commit ngempela?
Mkhayana, uyazi khona imistake esiyasiyenza.
Yeah.
Nami ngisajola ngayenza leyo mistake. Where kuphela i-relationship bese uphuzwa enye ilokuzi isobho ngomhluzi wenye. Yeah, kwesinye isikhathi kune backbencher. Bekhona isiso sebhentshini. Kuvele kuhambe lo wena ukhweze lona.
Gebele phezulu komoya.
So ungasitholi isikhathi se-reflection,
sure,
introspection, and finding out where are you coming from in terms of intimate relationships and where you are going in terms of intimate relationships. So those are some of the things, by the way, that creates impairment, which makes it difficult. The biggest one, infidelity, I'm sorry.
Sure.
Infidelity, if you have experienced continuous infidelity with your ex-partners, chances of you freely committing are close to zero. Yes.
So you'd say that person needs more psychological help in dealing with those past traumas?
The therapy comes in. Then bese kuba khona enye into, a partner who will just block you out of the blue. Especially in social media. When a partner blocks you, it's unfair. She's not giving an opportunity, not to phone a story. You just want to know one sentence. Why did you block me? Actually, okay, thank you, then let's leave each other in peace. Niyayidinga leyo closure. Nayo leyo closure izokusiza because almost ubuyela back in relationship. Usuzoqala upick up izinto engase precipitate enye i-blockage mase move forward. Because there's a difference between moving on and moving forward. Most people blunder by moving on, stalking exes. instead of moving forward, deleting the number, deleting everything,
Sure.
and stocking and actually putting everything to perspective.
Yeah. No, sihleli nayo indaba emnyeza right here on the Midday Connection. We are making sure we are living healthy lives, and of course I'm gonna tickle him a bit after this.
Indoda Ikhali on the Mayday Connection.
It is the sound of KZN. We are in Indoda Ikhali. Khona undaba emnyeza. Siqalile vethu siyakhuluma indaba ezibalekile ngendlela emangalisayo when it comes to impilo yamadoda. Ndabe I think kunomuntu osifazane okulalele njengamanje othi kodwa lo mjida vethu ngiyamthanda mina, I'm doing everything that I can, ngiyamphekela, ngiyamwashela. Why am I struggling to get this guy to commit? What's happening with psychology yomfana ongafuni commit?
We gave you reasons why men are scared of committing, and I was very explicit when I said it's complex childhood trauma.
Yeah.
So, lo muntu akaza commit mefuna commit. A man will never commit when there's no need for commitment or any commitment phobia like stichomophobia.
Sure.
It will take a lot for a woman. Amphekela amwashele as amnikeza nemali sometimes, but I want to dissuade women from doing that. That practice has casualties. Ungenzi lutho mthanda nje kuba kuphela. Ungenzi lutho sisters, ungenzi lutho, don't give him money, don't do anything for him. I'm serious. Don't be the one to remember birthdays. Ungamfana nje happy birthday kuphele kanjalo.
Khona naloyo othi like ngangicommittile kodwa senginalento yokuphula back. Sometimes you uthola mhlawumbe umuntu urashile mhlawumbe ungena kwe relationship ethize wa overcommit mase bona sephakathi sebona ngathi ngathi akusayona lento ade ngicabanga ukuthi izoba yona le. What's your advice to someone like that?
Look, inkinga yethu singena kwi relationship singekho relationship ready, relationship readiness, and as a result mesasifika ngaphakathi then we start making cliches and statements like this is not what I signed up for. Wangena kwi relationship ungekho ready kuba ku relationship. Yini indaba ujahe i-attachment. So again, a caution for abantu abangena ngespeed kuma relationship. Musu ngena ngespeed, 1 foot at the door. Take things one day at a time. Treat yourself njenge patient. Ukhumbula ukuthi une experience ebuhlungu from previous relationship.
Ngayikhohle.
Yeah, check your own body count. Ubuza ukuthi kwenzakalani kulabantu abajida abaningi ngadlula kubona or le ntombi engadlula kuzona. Because your body count could be an indicator of what is going on with you.
Internally,
yes.
Sure.
Internal combustion. So ekugcineni ubusuthola ukuthi wena uqhubeka ngebehavior, there is a pattern in you that keeps on continuing, causing you to attract people who are not prepared to commit to you.
Fantastic. Sikuthola kanjani ndaba emesifuna connector now?
0766 33954. Angiphinde mlaleli weGagasi ngithi kwana 0766 33954.
Gagasi FM.